Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stampin' Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and as you can see, today we are going to be cracking into the paper pumpkin. This is the September 2019 paper pumpkin called Bon Appetit. I just received it in the mail, and it is Halloween themed, and we're going to go ahead and get this opened. If I can get my scissors to cut. Ooh, what do we have here? We have an advertisement for October and November's kit. Winter Wonders from Paper Pumpkin. So these two kits are going to coordinate. You don't have to have both of them to do each one, but they just coordinate. Probably the design and colors are going to coordinate. That's going to be great. Let's see, we have, ooh, Gorgeous Grape is our color. It's on the back of here. Our stamp set, oh, look. We have 2 different skeletons. Eat If You Dare, Happy Halloween, the Poison Skull, Bon Appetit, Toxic Treats, and Trick or Treat. That's our stamp set. Can you see that? Cute, right? I love the little skeletons. Black tissue paper this month. Let's see. Ooh-wee. Let's get rid of the box. What do we have here? These are gonna be treat boxes, and they are cute. Look at that. Let's, ooh, oh, those, ooh, look at the, okay, let's bust into this. Oh my goodness, I see goodies already. So we have some black clothespins, little mini clothespins with some black dimensionals. Oh, that's cute. Because that's new in the holiday catalog, the black dimensionals. So those are the mini black dimensionals. Let's get this out. See what we have here. Come on, plastic. So we have 2 different designs. These are polka dot. Oh, black with the orangey polka dots, and they're like foil. Then we have the black and orange striped boxes. What else? Oh, look at these labels. Those are cute. It's foiled. Then the little label for the sentiment, like the headstones. And some tags. Some die cut tags. Have 2 sheets of those. Those are cute. Oh my, look at this. Oh, we have 2 sticker sheets with skeletons and skeleton hands. Those are cute. Spider webs and more of the headstones. Oh, look at the, can you see that? The little skull in the middle of the spider web. Bone, it's like a bone spider web thingy. Then some vellum circle dots, not circle dots, but circles, cutouts, and then some glue dots. And let's see our instructions so we can get the colors right. So in this kit, we have Bon Appetit photopolymer stamp set, the Gorgeous Grape ink spot, a sheet of foil tags, vellum die cuts, and laser cut elements, 5 sheets of die cut elements, 20 food safe treat boxes. That's a lot, 20 mini black clothespins, 100 adhesive dots, and 50 black mini dimensionals. And the coordinating colors are Basic Black, Gorgeous Grape, Pumpkin Pie, and Whisper White. This is gonna be cute. Look at that. They show alternate little projects that you can make with the kit. I don't think I've ever seen them do that. That's cute. Here's another look at what's in the kit, what the kit makes. Isn't that just cute? And the instructions. So let's get started. You guys know I'm gonna put this to the side and get my Gorgeous Grape ink pad to work with. I'm gonna put this stuff aside. So the first thing we need to do is assemble the treat boxes. So we have one of each here. So let's see. Just pop out those little things there. And to assemble, I think I can remember. Let's fold on the score lines first. Because I'm thinking this one. Nope. I see. I didn't push this one in all the way. That one down first, the two sides, and this one last that it tucks in there. Voila, bottom is made. And let's move on to the next one. Oh, there's little holes to punch out here on the sides as well. So make sure you get those out. And just put the handles together. I guess I should have put the whole box together. Well, I don't know if I want to do it. Let's see, there we go. Yeah. Oh, that's a cute little size. Okay. We'll do the same thing for this one. Pop out all the little pre-cut holes that they have for us. And put the bottom together. We'll put this one in first, the two sides, and then this one. Pops together. I guess I should have folded all the score lines, right? I should have, but I didn't. So we'll work with what we have. Okay. This is an easy project. So it looks. Let's get to the stamping, right? Okay, come on, stay in there for me. There you go. Okay, we're gonna pop these to the side. Get this out of the way. And then next we're gonna do some stamping. So it says, stamp sentiments on the labels, stamp skulls onto the purple tag. Okay. So we want one purple tag and one black tag. Put the rest to the side. And those have little holes in them to be popped out. You know, these little things can be used on an alternate project as well. So if you want, you can keep those, because I'm already thinking about, since the boxes are polka dot, you can make some polka dot backgrounds with these. Okay, so we're gonna do Bon Appetit and Toxic Treat are the two sentiments that we're gonna be using. We get a block here. Here's my little block. Okay, we got those mounted on blocks. And we're going to stamp the skull as well. Let me put the skull on here. And we're going to stamp that all over this one. So we're going to just take this. I'm going to just use this so I can stamp off of the paper, of the tag. I have so much stuff going on, don't I? So let's just stamp some skulls all over this tag, just wherever you like. Just randomly putting them on. Going ahead and get some on the handles up there, on the edge. I don't know how many you need, just stamp it however you like, because some of it is going to be covered up. And then we're going to get one of the, well, two of these tags here, and we're going to stamp in the sentiments, Bon Appetit and Toxic Treats. So let's see how we can do this here. Can you guys see? Let me make sure you can see. I'm sorry. Bon Appetit. Oh, that's cute. And then we're going to take the other one that says Toxic Treats. Let's stamp that one again. I wasn't quite centered. Maybe I can't see that well. That's crooked, I can tell. Oh my. Okay, we're gonna just use that one because I don't want to use up all of my little tags. Okay, so what else do we need? We need 2 of the vellum circles. So we'll get those. We're gonna need 1 of these. We're gonna need a hand. Uh-oh. Just 1 of the hands. No, we're gonna need 2 of the hands. So 2 hands and 1 of the dancing skeletons. Ooh. These are so cute. Come out, come out. Okay, they don't have the anything of this. So I guess you can for alternate projects or alternate ideas, you can use these labels to stamp the little headstone image here in. Oh, look at this. I have ink everywhere already. You know why? Because I need to close my ink pad because we're done stamping. Okay. So what do we need to do now? We need to take the glue dots and put everything together. So we're going to get our tags here. And we're going to put everything together. So we're going to glue dot this skull spiderweb looking thing right onto one of the vellum circles. And then we're going to take a glue dot and add that to the vellum circle. Did I just get rid of it? Oh my goodness, where did the glue dot go? Oh, there it is. I see it. I'm sorry. I'm going to add that to the lower corner towards the bottom and just put it right here on our tag like that. And take the toxic treat. We're going to add glue dots to the back of that one. So I'm going to use 2 glue dots, 1 on each end. No, just one. I'll use 2, but I won't put it on the end. I'll put it towards the middle just to make sure it's secured on there. And we'll have that one hanging like that. Then for this one, where's the other? We're going to do an adhesive dot, the little glue dot right in the middle of the vellum. I'm going to put that here. Then we're going to do another glue dot. We're going to use a lot of glue dots. And take our dancing skeleton. Put a couple on him. I guess the skeleton, you know what? No, I'm going to use the dimensionals to pop him up. That's what I'm going to use, the mini dimensionals to pop our little skeleton, just to pop him up. We'll put 2. Will 2 fit? Will this fit here without showing? Yes, it will. Okay, so we'll take the backing off of that. These are so cool. The black dimensional, so that when you're using darker colors, you can't see that white sticking from behind. And we'll just add him right here. Then we'll use glue dots for our bon appetit. For the bon appetit, let's do 2 of that one as well. 1 in the middle, just to make sure it sticks. Right about there. Maybe I should put I think I'll use a dimensional under there to keep it from flattening out. Let's see, right about here. Oh, if I can get it off my finger. Right about there. I guess I have to take the back off so it'll stick right. Oh, goodness, Shauna. There we go. So now we have those done. And they're holding on to the little boxes with the clothespins. I know this seems like it took a long time, but I'm trying to look at the picture, get the directions. And once you read the directions and know what you're doing, it'll go super quick. So we have this one. Oh, you know what? Glue dot these hands to your clothespins. So get a glue dot on each of the clothespins. And let's put our hand on there. About right here. Just like that. Just get the hand and stick it on. So it'll be holding on. We're gonna just clothespin that on there, like so. And then do the same thing for this one. I'm gonna just take it and clothespin this right onto the top of the box. And those are our two little cute treat boxes. Aren't they cute? It's adorable. I can't wait to come up with alternate projects with this kit. This is so awesome. So there you go. There you have it. Our this is September 2019 Bon Appetit paper pumpkin. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.